Allerton Hill has been a fantastic partner, and I've tried to pass that on to any other administrators that I meet across the state of Ohio. We knew we were not doing the communication side of our job to the level that we'd like to, but we didn't know where to go with it. Being in southeastern Ohio, where communication companies aren't aren't around in our region. Luckily, we found Allerton Hill, and they've been a lifesaver. We do not have the time nor the experience or expertise to be able to operate the way Allerton Hill has for us. And it's honestly taken a lot off of our plates, allowed us to focus on the kids and the staff, what's more important to us, while still getting our message out and getting it out better than we ever could have before. So Allerton Hill's been a wonderful partner, and it's honestly been great, not only for our culture and our community, but also for our bottom line. As we are in an era of school choice, and school is something of a business now, and Allerton Hill's been successful in promoting us when it comes to students and school enrollment as well.